Good evening, Plymouth, New Hampshire. I'm student meteorologist Megan Duncan here with your evening weather. If you look at our Plymouth State University webcam behind me, you can see we started out with partly cloudy skies this morning, and our clouds actually thickened throughout the afternoon. Satellite radar shows some scattered showers that we had throughout New Hampshire, but there's also the system right off to our west that's bringing more and more precipitation and rain to Plymouth that is going to continue to intensify throughout this afternoon and evening. Temperatures throughout New England here were in the mid 40s to mid 50s. A little bit cooler than last week. We're at 50 degrees in Hartford, 49 degrees in Boston, 52 degrees in New York City. Locally in New Hampshire here, though, we're also in the lower to mid 50s, 52 in Nashua, 51 in Concord, 54 in Laconia. Currently here in Plymouth, we're actually at 53 degrees. Again, we have that rainy precipitation occurring. Wind is east-southeast at 6 miles an hour, and our pressure has been continuously dropping due to the system that's been pushing in from the west. Tonight, though, we're actually looking at a low of 31, so getting below that freezing mark, leaving us with some mixed precipitation and snow. Our extended forecast here is showing the system that I'm talking about that's going to affect us all the way until Saturday. This is the system I'm talking about right here that's pushing eastward, bringing our precipitation. As it continues through, New Hampshire is expected to drop temperature significantly, bringing us that mixed precipitation and snow. So a late April snowstorm we're expecting here. This snow is going to continue from around midnight tonight into Friday and through Saturday morning. I'm expected to leave us around Saturday 8 or 9 a.m. Our watches and warnings throughout New England here, we actually have a warning here in Vermont until Friday at 8 p.m., but our warnings here in New Hampshire are Saturday until 6 a.m. when this system finally pushes through. Our forecasted accumulations here, we're actually expecting significant accumulation along the western corridor here of New Hampshire in this area. As the system continues, this is Friday at 1 p.m. in the evening, this already is 1 to 3 inches of snow, and around 5 p.m. on Friday, we're already increasing 6 to 8 inches, and even a significant corridor expecting 8 to 12 inches here on this eastern area. For Plymouth, New Hampshire, though, we're actually going to be in a dry spot. We're going to have significant precipitation here and to the north of us in the White Mountains, but where we are in Plymouth is actually expected to have a lot less precipitation accumulation. Our highlights here, again, mixed precip and snow beginning before midnight. This is going to switch over completely to snow in the early morning hours and throughout Friday into the afternoon. And here at Plymouth, we're expected a coating to 3 inches expected. So minimum a coating here with some mixed precipitation. So it'll make travel pretty tricky in the early morning. So keep that in mind for your morning commute. And a max to 3 inches expected here. So not a significant amount of accumulation as we're seeing to the south of us, but still enough to cause some traffic jams or some issues on your on your drive to work here. Our extended forecast is showing us our rain and snow is continuing on until Friday, a high of 33 degrees on Friday, which is really cold. You can see that's compared to our 50 degrees actually bordering it on either side. Saturday and Sunday, though, it's going to feel a lot more like April. Sunday even reaching 55 degrees, mostly cloudy. And then Monday and Tuesday continuing to warm up. We're even reaching potentially 66 degrees on Tuesday, so it's something to look forward to that'll help melt all of this snow away. Thank you all for tuning in and enjoy the rest of your evening.